How to implement geothermal heating in industrial facilities. What if the most powerful energy source for your industrial facility wasn't in the sky, but right beneath your feet? Geothermal heating is revolutionizing how industries slash costs and carbon emissions. And the best part, it's far more accessible than you might think. The first move? Site analysis. Not every location is ideal for geothermal, but many are. You'll need a geological survey to measure soil composition, underground temperature stability, and groundwater presence. The deeper you go, the more consistent the heat, but even shallow systems can be incredibly efficient. Next, choosing your geothermal system. For industrial needs, you're usually looking at closed-loop vertical systems, where pipes are drilled hundreds of feet into the earth, or lake systems if you have a water source nearby. Vertical systems are compact, ideal when land is limited. After that, it's time for engineering and design. This includes sizing the system properly based on your facility's heating and cooling loads. Oversized or undersized systems are costly mistakes, so accurate calculations are critical. Then comes drilling and installation. Professional drilling rigs create boreholes, piping is installed, and everything is connected to heat pumps inside your facility. These heat pumps move thermal energy between the ground and your building, providing heating in winter and cooling in summer. Don't forget about controls and integration. Modern geothermal systems work best when tied to smart energy management, allowing you to monitor performance and reduce energy use even further. Implementing geothermal heating isn't just about saving money. It's about future-proofing your operations, cutting emissions, and leading the way into a cleaner industrial age. The future of sustainable industry is already here, and it's right beneath your feet. The real question is, are you ready to dig in? If you want to stay updated on the technology industry in your daily life, subscribe to our channel and see you on the next video. Thank you.